Hi friends! Today I'm drawing a cute little fish. Look at its big eyes and tiny fins. So funny and adorable. Do you know what a fish is? A fish is an animal that lives in the water, like oceans, rivers, and lakes. Fish have fins to help them swim and scales to protect their bodies. They come in many shapes, sizes, and beautiful colors. Fish are very important for us. Some people eat fish because they are full of protein, which helps us grow strong and healthy. Fish also help keep the water clean and are part of the food chain in nature. Guess what? Fish don't breathe like us. They use something called gills to breathe underwater. Gills help them take oxygen from the water, just like our lungs take oxygen from the air. Some fish swim in big groups called schools, and some fish can even glow in the dark. How cool is that? Did you know? There are many kinds of fish. Some fish live in the ocean, some live in lakes, and some live in rivers. Fish have many different homes. Do you like eating fish? Fish can be yummy and very healthy for our bodies. Some fish live in the wild, like in the sea or river, but some fish are farmed by people in fish ponds. That means people take care of them so they can grow strong and healthy. So, what's your favorite fish? Have you ever had a pet fish at home? Some people keep colorful fish in a small aquarium with pretty lights and tiny plants inside. It looks like a little underwater world. Watching the fish swim around is so fun and relaxing. It can even help when you feel bored. I'm using a black Spidol marker to draw the outline of my picture, and then I will color it using crayons. But remember, you can use any colors you like. It's your art, so just have fun with it. The most important thing is that you enjoy drawing and feel happy while making your picture. Let your imagination shine. Look! My drawing is almost done. What do you think about the colors? I think it looks so beautiful. How about your fish drawing? What colors did you use? I'm sure your fish looks so beautiful too. I hope you can watch this video until the end. If you're enjoying this drawing and story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun and learning. Thank you very much.